Hello everyone. Today we're doing some outlines. Yeah, that's it. First of all, we make our drawing thingy. What the hell are you doing, Mauro? Stop doing that. What? Now we add some Gaussian blur to the thing, and we duplicate the cake again and again until we have this some kind of weird version of the drawing. And then we change the brightness so it's dark and stuff. And now let's move it down. And what do we have here? An outline. Whoa! Huh, that online looks kinda weird, not gonna lie, so let me change that quickly. So, be right back. Okay, and now we have our outline. And yeah, if we want to add another outline to the thing, we just need to do the thing again. So, wait a second. And bada bing bada bam, there we got it. So, we're finished. And yeah, goodbye.